How to redeem code in Wuthering Waves. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily redeem your codes and claim free rewards in Wuthering Waves. First of all, launch open the Wuthering Waves game on your device and make sure that you are inside the game section. After you've completed all of the tutorials in the game, go ahead and tap on this menu button at the top right corner from the game section. And once you're inside this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the gear icon. Inside the settings button, go ahead and click on this button over here, which shows you a small wrench. After you tap on that, on the next page, you'll see this redemption code option. Tap on the redeem button right next to redemption code and enter your redemption code in the text box given. Make sure that you type in your redemption code correct without any kind of a mistake. And once you do that, you'll be able to claim your rewards. And that's how you successfully redeem codes in Wuthering Waves and claim free rewards. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.